Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Expert Option Trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Expert Option Trading application on your device. And once you are taken into the home page, you can tap on the Register Now button at the top section. This will then open up the registration page. You can use your email address, and you also have the option to use your Facebook or Google account directly. Proceed with either one of these options, and if you use your email address, type it in within the given box and enter your desired password underneath for your account. You can then tap on the Create Account button, and now you will see the option to deposit your money, which will take you into the real account. You can continue with your demo balance by tapping on Continue with Demo Balance. Now you will be taken into your newly created account right away. Now you may not see a notification, but you will still need to check your inbox in order to verify your account. So check within your inbox and you will find an email from Expert Option. Open up this email and tap on the Verify button. This will now verify your account and you will get a notification which confirms this. And now you can start using your Expert Option account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Expert Option Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.